Here is a scenario where our example Sarah, who is driving her car to work. She realizes that there seems to be a problem with her car. Now she has to get out of her way and visit a workshop to see what is the problem. It seems that you have been neglecting your oil change.
Oh my. Is it that bad?
I am afraid your engine has suffered some serious damage and will require an overhaul. Neglecting an oil change or periodic maintenance schedule might result into a more serious problem. Sarah would have paid less for scheduled maintenance. Now, she will have to deal with major mechanical work on her vehicle, which will be time and money consuming. Keep it running more efficiently. Car engines age and become less powerful over the life of the vehicle. Including regular tune-ups as part of the regular maintenance will give mechanics the opportunity to see where problems are starting to form and repair engine parts before they can continue to deteriorate. Improve fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency has become a top priority for most drivers who want to feel less of an impact at the pump and make a lower impact on the environment. A dirty fuel system and clogged air filters that aren't changed can reduce your car's fuel efficiency. Keep warranty coverage. Every new vehicle comes with a warranty and a number of requirements to keep it valid. Fail to maintain a documented service schedule, and your warranty claims can be denied. Get more when you sell. A good maintenance record shows potential buyers that you have taken care of your vehicle, so that it should be performing optimally. Make it safer. Today's new vehicles are being made with more advanced safety technology to protect drivers and passengers in the vehicle, drivers of other vehicles, and pedestrians. Failing to keep vehicles maintained could lead to something as simple as a non-functioning signal light that leads to an accident or a brake failure that leads to a devastating event to keep you from getting stranded. Letting maintenance go can end up causing a complete breakdown and leaving you stranded on the side of the road. A service appointment will take a lot less time and money, and it won't prevent you from getting where you need to be.
I'm so happy my car got fixed. From now on, I will never skip on my periodic maintenance schedule.